Well, one of the most useful things you can learn in any language is how to say thank you and how to answer it. Here is how it works in Nuer. How to say thank you very much. How to say thank you very much is Shiloida Tesalong. Shiloida Tesalong. How to say thank you very much. Shiloida Tesalong. How to say thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Shiloida Tet. Shiloida Tet. Thanks a lot mean Shiloida Tet. How to say thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Laraji tasluaj kalwagdu. Thank you for your help. Laraji tasluaj ko shelwak. Kia kalwagdu. You can say like that. How to say I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Han nakaja. Han nakaja. How to say I really appreciate it and nakaja. How to say you have been a great help. You have been a great help. Jin shilwak along. Jin shilwak along. You have been a great help. Jin shilwak along. Well, how to respond if someone say thank you? Here's what to say back in Nuer language. Well, you are welcome. How to say you are welcome is Shiloida Tet. Shiloida Tet. How to say you are welcome? Shiloida Tet. How to say don't mention it. Do not mention it. Don't mention it is Theleriak. Theleriak. Don't mention it. Theleriak. How to say anytime. Anytime. Kagwasdial or Nichang. Kienogwat. You can say like that. Anytime. Kagwasdial. How to say that is all right. Shagwa. Or how to say it is all right. Shagwa or emigwa. You can just use emigwa. It is all right. Emigwa. How to say that is all right mean Shagwa. It is all right. Emigwa. Well, that is thank you and you are welcome covered from every angle. Try using Shiloida Tet. The next time you want to practice, comment below and let me know how it went. Subscribe for more